Hey, what's up guys, it's Chris, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be installing the TRACKHAWK brakes onto the TRACKHAWK. I'm pretty freaking stoked. I've been wanting to do this mod forever, ever since I've had a Grand Cherokee, and I've always wanted an SRT, so this is the closest thing I'll get to it with the diesel build that we're doing here. So pretty stoked. Gonna be getting this done at work. I'm gonna have my shop techs do it for me, so shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for making this dream happen. And I'm gonna get some shots throughout the video, so let's jump to it guys. Really excited. Stick around.
All right, today's the day. Everything's here. Got the front calipers, rear calipers. Rear rotors are in the back, mixed in with the front rotors. The front dust shields, because they're larger. Got the 4 brake lines. Hardware is in one of these boxes. And I'm going with Stop Tech for front and rear brakes. So we're pretty much ready to go. Let's knock this out. It's coming together over here. We got it to work with the OEM dust shield, which is cool. So I didn't have to use the aftermarket one because it wasn't even a bigger size. It was literally the same size dust shield. Last back one. That's all that's left. Got the rear one mocked up over here. Airbags. Woo. Check it out, guys. That's the stock front brake. Put it up here. Oh, I don't even think I can put it up there. Damn. Huge difference. These guys are bleeding the brakes. So glad I didn't have to do this job today. Shout out to my team. All right, brakes are on. Looks freaking awesome with the wheels. Whew. Just gonna drive it around the block real quick. He told me to go feel it. So it feels good to him, except I drive it every day, so. Ooh. I'm gonna have to actually bed these brakes in, I would think. Holy fuck. Yeah. Oh, okay, so a little more aggressive than I thought it was gonna be. That's awesome. Pleasant surprise.
Okay, so just kind of was cruising around. Probably need to bed these brakes in a little bit because I think you need to season the rotors and the pads. And overall, the car doesn't feel any heavier right now, or really too much like slower, anything like that. I mean, this car does have electronic steering, so I'm sure as I drive it around more through the week, I'll be able to feel some of that. So I'll get back to you guys on that. Hopefully report back everything's fine, but overall it looks amazing. That's really what I was going for, was just an awesome look and get some of this performance once I actually tune the Jeep. And you know, I want to do like somewhat of an off-road build on this, so
okay guys, I want to show you what went wrong. So the bolts were Cerakoted by Chameleon's Coatings, and my crew, we didn't put Loctite when we retightened the inner bolt on this like carrier bolts or a guide bolt. This threads into the longer bolt that runs along the side there. So when I was driving right now, this part fell out and the whole bolt was loose, so the pads were just catching and shaking the whole front end. So that's what happened. Lesson learned. Fortunately, one of my guys had this piece in stock, or just a random one that fit perfectly, so we're good to go. Otherwise, I'll drop the part list below where you can find these at AutoZone and stuff like that, because you can't get them from the Jeep dealership directly. They don't sell it, just the bolts.
I think these brakes really fit the build, and I've always wanted them. I think they look dope. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please subscribe down below, comment, like this video so it gets pushed out into the YouTube universe, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace out.